Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox the second set of JKs. So let's start with this one. Okay, so this is a Mattel Dream Mobile, and this actually looked really cool. I can say, this has the classic car vibes you can see, and it looks really small and cute as well. So I bought this one. I actually bought two of it. I sold one of it again for MRP only, but I thought, okay, let's see how this one actually looks in hand, and I thought of buying another one because this is available a lot. You can get this very easily. So this is a fantasy casting, and not much people actually, you know, buys these kind of things. Okay, so this is the Mustang RX7 Drift. So I do remember unboxing this sometime back, but I bought this because it has a different livery. I just wanted to see how this one actually looks. So again, see, I bought all these cars for MRP only, so I don't want to repeat that over and over again while I'm showcasing you the cars. So here's the next one, the 71 Mustang Funny Car. Okay, so originally these cars are supposed to be lifted up like this, but this one I don't know. I don't think we can do that since it's just a main line. I don't think Mattel is going to put that much effort into a main line. So yeah. So this is a new casting for 2025, the Dodge Viper GTS. So I do have couple of Dodge Vipers with me. I think those are Dodge Vipers. That's it. This is a GTS version. So yeah. So I didn't want to take a chance of missing this out, and it has details on every side. So I bought it. And this one is also, this is the first time I'm actually getting this casting. I don't think this is a new casting for 2025, but this is the Disney Steamboard. This is the original one which, in Walt Disney launched Mickey Mouse, where the Mickey travels on this one. So I never actually watched the entirety of those episodes because I'm not much of a Disney fan. So I used to grow with Cartoon Network with, Smart Cats, Centurions, these kind of cartoons, and Captain Planet and all. So after that, Spider-Man, obviously. Yeah, so this one says, this part will, rotate. So it has some kind of mechanism here. That's the reason I'm adding this for this week, because I want to see how this works. I don't know whether this will actually float on water. So maybe that I will try later on. Not on the video, but maybe later on. And last but not least, this one is definitely on everyone's wish list after they announced this, which is this one. So this is a Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. So see, these castings are actually same. If you guys pick the casting, all this casting which comes under this F1 series, all are same, just like the majority ones. So only difference being the paint job. That's it. So luckily I was able to get this one because again they opened the case, but at least I got everything I wanted from that one. This was specifically arranged for me, so yeah. Okay, so with that said, stay tuned for this week's video, guys, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.